Do you have a girlfriend? Does she have a boyfriend? And if yes, how do they feel about, this friendship in question? Starting with Sadie.
You understand with me? So actually,
Do we have to answer this?
You have to, because innocent most and a lot of people that are watching us right now, they want to know. They want to know what's up.
So, honestly speaking, for me, I would say that when she was coming to Malawi, I did have someone.
You did have someone, yes.
But it's also done now.
It's done. Is it done?
It's done. I'm not sure if it's done, but she left me in it.
Did she leave you because of her, or was it?
There's just a lot of other things incorporated, but I'm pretty sure she plays a role in that as well.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's not a very easy thing to have someone you call your partner trend with
another girl.
Yes, that's this.
Oh, so you were understanding in the whole process.
I understood, and I mean, it's not like it was in my control. You understand? Like, I think the thing that I did the most was bring her out at the Chanko show. So that was what I did. And then antodumba amaboza ngaraji na mikozi anafuna bonjezeravo zintu zoti banalibevo bankanija kanija ndugurani ndo nembe nolampa mine zinafikira. So I mean, I don't blame her for taking that decision, but in the same sense, but life goes on. Yeah.
And Nana, how is it for you?
I'm almost in the same situation.
And what is that situation? What is that situation that you're in?
That I have someone, but it's
Let's leave it there.
No. Because Innocent Musa and a couple more people want to know what's going on in Nana's life. So, yeah, let us know what's up.
Yeah, it's like almost the same like him. Like, I have someone in Germany, but
yeah. All right. I'm gonna give you grace and just say that, all right, there's somebody that should we say it's rocky, or maybe when you go back it's going to be smooth. Do you think so? Girl, you gotta give us something.
Yeah, okay. I'm sorry. Oh my god. So I have someone, and that's all, guys.
All right. So, and you